Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook fried okra. For our ingredients, we have okras. I think this is around 21 pieces. I don't know the weight, but I counted that it's 21 pieces of okra. We have 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup flour, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, some plain breadcrumbs. So first we'll make our okra butter. We'll pour in our 1/2 cup flour, pour in our milk, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon paprika, and a dash of ground black pepper. Beat it up and mix it well. So we'll mix our butter well until all the lumps are done. Then we'll set this aside. Now we're slicing our okra. We're gonna cut up into small pieces. We have to remove the crowns. I don't know what you call it, but I call it crowns. So just cut this in half. Remove this tip. Okay, and just leave it set it aside. So we're using fresh okra. I don't think frozen okra will work with this recipe because frozen okra tends to be too slimy. Fresh ones is really perfect for this recipe. So yeah, we'll just cut this up like that. So here's our cut okras. Next we'll put this all inside our butter right there. Then we'll mix the butter so okras are all well coated with butter. And we'll leave it for a few minutes and we'll make our coating ready, which is the plain breadcrumbs. So we will preheat our pan and put at least around 2 cups of oil, and while waiting for the oil to heat up, we are going to coat our okra. So to coat our okra, we have this breadcrumbs, plain breadcrumbs. We'll pour it inside this Ziploc bag. Just don't pour a lot, just maybe around 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. And then we'll get our okra soaked with our butter. And then we drop a few of the okras inside this. Then we'll shake this up till it's all of the okra is coated. And as you can see, that is coated now. We'll take it out from the bag and do the same for the rest of the okra. So just keep adding breadcrumbs inside the Ziploc bag as needed, so you're able to coat all your okras. So there's our all coated. And then we'll fry this. Now it's time to fry our okras. So I'll just slowly put this in. This doesn't take long to coat. So we're just gonna make this golden brown. And that should be it. You can see it turns out golden brown really fast because our oil is ready. So we'll take out the ones that are already golden brown and we'll leave the other ones keep cooking. So okay, our crunchy okra is ready. Let's try it. Really crunchy. And you don't get any slime at all. Okay, it's really good. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.